Thinking of starting goat farming in 2026? Wait. 3 out of 5 beginners lose their first goat in 6 months. Not to theft, but to bloat, pneumonia, or heavy parasite load. Poor fencing also leads to easy escapes, as goats are notorious jumpers and climbers. I'm Carol from Ruiru, farming on 1/8 acre piece of land. As a beginner, I have made mistakes in my farming journey. Today, I'll be sharing with you what I have learned with Bella, my Toggenburg cross, and 7 beginner mistakes that you can avoid. Tuko pamoja? I've been milking Bella daily for my family of 5. In the 4th month of lactation, she used to give us a liter of milk, or about 1.2 liters in a good day. So, in a week, she would save us 720 shillings, money that we previously used to purchase 2 packets of milk every day. I almost bought a Sanin, a good breed which can give you up to 3 liters daily, but it's quite expensive to maintain. If you're looking into starting goat farming in 2026, start with a crossbreed, such like Bella, who is a Toggenburg crossbreed. It's hardy and can adopt in any climate. It's also easy to feed and maintain with kitchen wastes, napier grass, banana leaves, leucaena, and a variety of other locally available fodder. Every beginner goes to the market excited and gets conned. Never buy a doe without these 2 things. First, see the mother's udder. It should be big and should have no lumps. That is, it should have good genetics. Number 2, ask for the milk record. 2 liters on social media means nothing if you don't see it. Initially, I thought any kind of a shed would work for a goat. However, a raised shed works better because it prevents goats from getting pneumonia and hoof rot. You also need to space the floor properly so that the feet of the goat are dry and healthy. Build a shed before buying the goat. Worms are silent killers. Don't wait for your goat to look too sick, but check pale eyelids every month, which is a sign of worm infestation. Deworm your goats every 3 months. This is another mistake that almost cost me. Avoid feeding fresh napier, fresh sukuma wiki, or any other fresh fodder. I once did this and Bella got bloated, and we nearly lost her. Wilt the goat feed for at least 2 hours to reduce the moisture content. Also, provide enough fresh water at all times and a good mineral leak. To reduce kid mortality, ensure the newborn kids suckle immediately after birth. Don't separate the kids and the mother too early. Allow the kid at least to suckle for 3 months before you begin to milk. As a beginner, I realized if I needed to succeed in dairy goat farming, I needed to consult a veterinary officer for proper advice, diagnosis, and treatment of diseases. Look for a good vet in your area and save their numbers, and you will thank me later. Also, join farmers groups in WhatsApps and other social media. Having the right breed, a secure and well-ventilated shed, deworming, wilting your green feed to avoid bloating, and separating the kids at the right time, important to consider as a beginner. Also, check out the doe before you make that purchase. And keep different kinds of records such as birth dates, milk records, treatment records, service dates, and other important dates. This is my personal experience, but every goat is different. Always consult your vet or livestock officer before starting. In my next video, I'll be showing you cheap feed recipes for goats, so subscribe so that you don't miss out.